Hey guys, what's up? This is a quick unboxing of Motul's engine oil. I've seen people do all kinds of shit unboxings. They unbox all kind of things, so I thought, well, this is a much better thing to unbox. Why not unbox it? Here's my knife, and let's cut this baby open. So yeah, I wanted to change the engine oil in my scooty and researched quite a bit and got to know that this was quite a good engine oil. Hard to do it one how to do it with one hand. That's what she said. When you're alone, you have to laugh on your own jokes, so that's what I'm doing. Wow, really good packaging by Amazon. Let's see. You can use them. I don't know where, but you can definitely use this. Again, recycling. This is getting really messy. I have to take it out. Okay, it's out now. Yeah, it's our baby. So it's according to what I read. Seems it has leaked. Yes, it has. Somebody, I don't know, for a reason or something, has somehow or it has happened. The month of manufacture and all that has been just sort of erased off. So yeah, I unboxed it as you saw, and it's here. But the problem is somehow I don't know where it was kept before it came to me. The manufacturing date of the oil has been some way removed, or it happened itself due to some. I really don't know, man. You really cannot see it, cannot decipher it. And the way it has been done or it happened, there is not even a trace of what was written before. I also took this strip off, but I cannot really see the date of manufacture. Well, it does say official performance partner, Indian Olympic Association. Things never go according to plan, really. They never do. So yeah, this is it. It's 10W30 MB, 10W30 MB, and these sort of codes, they provide you with the viscosity levels engine oils hold when hot or cold. So 10W means in winters or when the temperature is cold. This will work till 10 and something when it's 30. Wow, this is a really good unboxing, isn't it? Yeah, so I will be putting it in my scooty and I'll tell you how it performs. So guys, as you saw through the unboxing, I received a package. Actually, I received the oil which had no manufacturing date, so I could not actually understand what was its expiry date. Although engine oils have a very long expiries, they usually expire in 5 years or so. It can be longer as well, but I was a little bit, I wasn't sure about it, so I talked to Amazon about it. I As soon as I received the product, I talked to them about the fact that the product received by me had no manufacturing date, and they were pretty good about it. They promised me a replacement, but they didn't actually replace it. So I waited for about 2 days, and there was no response from their side. So I think there's a feature on Amazon which is a really good feature. It's commendable effort by Amazon. It is that you can actually chat with one of the, sorry for the noise. You can actually chat with one of the, sales executives. So I talked to one of them, and they said, "Sir, we categorize engine oils in a category in which you cannot replace the product once you buy it. So it's essential information for all those who are buying engine oil from Amazon. It's categorized in a category where it wouldn't be replaced once you buy it. I talked to him about it, and he said, "Sir, I can provide you with the refund." And to my amusement, I asked him, "Okay, you can provide me a refund, but when are you going to take the product away from me?" He said, "Sir, we won't be taking the product away from you. It'll stay with you, but we'll provide you refund just because of the inconvenience caused by us." So I said, "Okay." Um, Although I got my refund in Amazon Pay, which is sort of a currency they have on their website, you can actually, get your refunds in your bank. But that I think takes, it doesn't take, but they say it'll take 4 days. Uh, you can get your refund at Amazon Pay only in 2 hours. So I opted for that. So yeah, I mean, it was, I didn't expected this. It can happen with you as well. If it happens with you, please comment down below in the section. um and if it happens with you, don't shut up. Don't just use the engine oil because it just might, if you think it's old, even if you think it's old, talk to Amazon about it. They're really good. According to this experience, they're really good. And um seek their help, because you want your engine's betterment. You don't want to sort of devastate it. If you were to put an old engine oil in your engine, what's the point? So talk to them about it. It happened to me, and I was lucky. Amazon helped me, and yeah, everything sorted out. So do like the video if you found this to be helpful. um Comment down below, what do you think about it? Has it ever happened to anybody else of your friends? And I'm sweating like a pig because I have to keep the fan off because of the ambient noise. So yeah, meet you in another video.